What's up, everyone? I am here at this strange place that I found called Reflections in Metal. They make all kinds of metal artwork. These guys are welding a bung into my aluminum tank for me. I called them. They're super cool. It's noisy in here, but I want to show you some of the amazing artwork that's going on in here out of metal. I've never seen anything like this. It's crazy. He's heating that up, and it'll make it like this. These are trailer brakes, like magnetic trailer brakes. They just turn the switch on right here and it holds it in place so they can work on it. That's awesome. Thank you, man. This is done by hand, and just they basically draw this on here, and then that guy burns it with the torch. And I know the lighting sucks, but look at the colors in there and stuff. Maybe I'll ask if I can take one in the sunlight. Yeah, I got a lot more than I bargained for when I showed up over here. I just found you guys on Google. I typed in welding and I called every welder and fabrication shop I could. Yeah. No, people weren't answering, and I was like, well, if they're busy, they'll call me back. And today I said, where do you think I'm from based on how I talk?
South.
Definitely south. Southeast.
Southeast. Tennessee?
Close. North Carolina.
Nice. Well, then you'll get a pick out of this. Yeah.
That one's like three-dimensional.
Yeah, that's what we call a two-step.
Man, this stuff is beautiful. Here, let me give me away. Oh yeah, old-fashioned moonshine. Yeah, that mountains of North Carolina. I know all about that. Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia. It's still flowing out of them hills real good. Is moonshine common around here?
No.
You don't?
No, I mean, if it is, it's quiet.
Yeah. Golly, that's beautiful in the sunlight. I can't believe somebody just takes a hand grinder like a Ziz. It's like a Ziz wheel type thing?
Yeah.
What I call it.
Well, it's an angle grinder and a die grinder.
Man, I'd love to have that. My wife would love it, but if I spent what it costs, she'd be real.
Right.
That's beautiful though, man.
Thanks, dude.
What temp does this thing bake at? 4. 4?
But on certain powder coats, you gotta let it go a little bit higher.
Yeah. So this has got to be one of the coolest places I've stopped in a while, and I just love that I stumble into places like this, you know. But I am going to put a link to their website, and their business card will be like right here, or wherever I put it on the screen. Real nice folks helping me out. Man, those pictures are so awesome, and they remind me of Blanca's Peak. I hope you watched that video. That's just really cool, man. The community. This is a family-owned business, and the dude's squeezing me in to get it hooked up here. So I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. What's your favorite piece in here?
Honestly, mine is more sentimental, and I don't even have one up. The American flags that we make were probably my favorite because that was my first design in 2013, the regular American flags.
Yeah.
And I made it for my house in Phoenix. And it was the first design that I made that blew up.
Yeah.
And because my dad was more Southwestern, right? But after we did, after I kind of started coming into it, I did that flag and it blew up and it really helped the company out because people wanted to buy a bunch of them.
Yeah.
And I would say that's probably my favorite one. That's the hard thing about metal art is anybody with plasma says, oh, I could do that. My buddy's got a plasma. You know what I mean?
Well, dude, you guys are set apart. There's so many people doing it, but I've never seen anybody burning the stuff and making these colors like this.
Thank you, man. Well, and that's the thing. We had to go a little above.
Want to show them that hat?
Oh, yeah.
And he just made this one for me. They make the metal, riveted on there.
Yes, sir. Metalhats.com.
All right. We'll put that in the description too.
Yeah, we do all kinds of stuff, man.
Reflections in metal got me hooked up, and I got a whole lot more than I bargained for, thanks to this guy and his dad and this awesome place here in Cortez, Colorado. All right, so the tank is fixed, and I'm back here at the trailer park or campground if you want to church it up a little bit. Got Lindsay here rocking the other Talton off-road hat. I traded hats with the gentleman that fixed the tank, metalhats.com, as you saw. So the piece of artwork that I showed you that I took out in the sun that I just loved so much, that guy watched the channel and he was just awesome, and he gave me that piece of artwork, and I just didn't have words. It's a very expensive piece of artwork. I'm fixing to break it out and show Lindsay for the first time. She has no idea what to expect.
Wow. That's insane. It does look like Blanca's Peak.
It's all done by hand. An angle grinder and a torch, and they heat it and grind it and heat it and grind it. They basically draw the picture with the heat and the abrasion. Like they draw the picture and a guy hits it with a torch.
Is that what makes the coloring?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And then they do it again. So it's dusty right now.
Where in the world are we gonna put it?
I don't think we got nowhere to put it in the camper. I don't think we got enough wall space, at least not to hang.
We could put this one in front of the bed, probably.
Oh, we could fit them all in
That
front of
empty
the bed.
wall right there.
Oh, but I want to display this and share it with people that come in our camper. You know, sometimes we have company in our camper about twice a year.
It's beautiful. That's very, I can't wrap my head around it. I'm not an artistic enough person to wrap my head
I've never
around
seen
it.
anything like it. It's amazing.
I mean,
I was speechless.
I am shocked. I don't have words. It's beautiful. I mean, it's like, I don't know if you can really see, but like the
I feel
river,
like I'm not capturing it on camera.
The river through the trees and the mountains. It's Colorado is what it is. It's beautiful.
Yeah. And it was a gift.
Well, I'm
Like,
extremely
that's-
thankful, and we're gonna put it up in our camper, but for sure when we get our house, we're gonna display it.
I will always remember this as a gift from a friend, now a friend in Colorado. What an amazing thing.
Now I want to go see more of the artwork.
Oh, babe, I've got it on video. You wouldn't believe what they had in there. I'll take you by there.
Maybe before we leave, we'll go check it out.
Yeah, let's go by there. We'll go by there.